Formations of images by plane mirror. Image formed by a plane mirrors are caused by reflections of light from the mirror surface. This is important, okay? This will be asked in exam. Formations of image by plane mirror is caused by reflection. Now, before we discuss the characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror, let's see the types of images that possibly formed by mirrors and lanes. So they are the real image and the virtual image. Now, what is real image? A real image is the image that can form on a screen. What does this mean? Let's say this is a cinema, okay, and this is the projector, and from our experience we can see that the image of this movie is formed on a screen. And these types of image that form on a screen is called the real image. So real image is the image that can form on a screen. Then how about virtual image? A virtual image is the image that cannot form on a screen. For example, mirror. Okay, so this is the image of this lady, and this image is not formed on the surface of the mirror. The image actually is formed inside the mirror, but not the surface of the mirror. So if you stand in front of a mirror, you will find that your image is inside the mirror, not on the surface of the mirror. So for these kinds of image, we call this the virtual image. So there are two types of images, real image and virtual image. Real image is the image that form on a screen, and virtual image is the image that cannot form on a screen. So let's see the characteristics of the image formed by a mirror. Okay, so we have a lady dancing in a room, and then this is her image. So the image formed by the plane mirror is virtual. It's not on the surface, it's inside the mirror, so it's virtual. And it's upright. Okay, upright means that it's not upside down. And it has the same size as the object. And the last one is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means that the right hand become the left hand and the left hand become the right hand. The right side and the left side are interchanged. So these are the characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror, and you need to remember this because this can be asked in your exam, especially in paper 1. Now, there are another things that you need to know about the image formed by plane mirror is the distance of object and distance of image. Distance of object is the distance from the object to the mirror, and distance of image is the distance of this image to the mirror. This is the distance of object and this is the distance of image, and for mirror, the distance between image and mirror is equal to the distance between the object and mirror. For example, if this lady is 2 meters from the mirror, and her image must also be 2 meters from the mirror. So that's what you need to know about the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. Okay, properties of light. So there are a few things that you need to know about light. First of all, light is a form of energy. It's not a matter, but it's a form of energy. And it travels in a straight line. And the speed is 300 million meters per second. And it can travel through vacuum. Vacuum is a space where there's no matter. And it can be scattered. Later on, we are going to discuss the scatterings of light. And it can be reflected and also can be bent or refracted. So these are the characteristics of light that you need to know.